Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're an Apple user tired of fumbling with credit cards during online shopping, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to use Apple Pay online. It's a game changer for quick, secure transactions. Let's get started. First off, what is Apple Pay? It's Apple's contactless payment service that lets you make purchases using your iPhone, iPad, or Mac without sharing your actual card details. It's super convenient and helps protect your information from potential fraud. But before we jump in, make sure you meet the basics. You'll need an iPhone with Face ID or Touch ID, or a compatible device, plus a debit or credit card from a supported bank. Oh, and don't forget to have the latest iOS installed. Step 1. Setting it up. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. If you haven't added a card yet, tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Enter your card details manually or scan it with your camera. Apple will verify it with your bank. This might involve a text code or an email. Once approved, your card is ready to go. Now, for the fun part, using it online. Head to a website that supports Apple Pay, like Amazon or certain retailers. When you reach checkout, look for the Apple Pay button. Select it, and you'll see your available cards. Choose the one you want, double-check the amount, and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Boom! The payment goes through, and you'll get a confirmation. One of the best things about Apple Pay is its security. It uses tokenization, so merchants never see your real card number, only a unique code. Plus, you can easily monitor transactions in the Wallet app. If you run into issues, like a website not recognizing Apple Pay, ensure your device is updated and the site is compatible. And remember, not all countries or banks support it yet, so double-check that. There you have it. A simple guide to using Apple Pay online. It's faster than typing in card details every time and keeps your info safe. Give it a try on your next shopping spree. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.